How to manage memories on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage memories on Snapchat app easy and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner, go to your profile. Now go to the top corner again and click on settings. Now all what you have to do is just scroll down until you find the memories option right here. Now click on memories, and here you go. Now from here you can manage all your memories settings. For example, the smart backup, you can turn it on or off. You can manage the save button, and you can also auto save your story or don't save. Very easy, and I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end.